Hello, this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing, unpackaging. In this video, I have a case for Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra version. You see this case is already worn out, old. So I bought one new one for this. It's a pack, very simple pack from AliExpress. The case was €2, normally 6-7 could be in Amazon. Let me cut the simple pack to show you how it is. Let's take this out. Nothing special, white case. The white color you see is right in here, Note 20 Ultra, 1.5mm, some Chinese version, and it has some special bumper to protect. As you see, I have iPhone 12 here. Same has bumper, and Samsung Galaxy 20 Ultra as well. It doesn't have bumper in this case. Oh, it has bumper as well. So the new one is the similar. The pack through one side, and we'll go to the case directly. For protection, I have some foam at the middle and one paper, nothing else. You see, this is a bit different than the other one. The camera, only the lens are open and other part is protected. Other one, it was open, the cam, and it gets dirty. So nothing special in this case, but before putting, I will clean my phone. Quite dirty in this case. This is rinky case, so it's done, the color is dark almost. And I clean properly because this will cover all from back. And here is the case, beautiful. Let's see. Here we go. See how it looks. And at the top you have beautiful bumper, very strong build of this case. And the back side you can see here is protecting my cam, is covered all. Only the lenses are open, my flashlight and sensor is open. Otherwise all is covered. So beautiful casing you can see here, guys. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.